guys, this is Charlotte Gallardo, your baby 20, and welcome back for another video. So ngayon guys, andito kami sa Silay Airport and bumahe kami ngayon papuntang Manila kasi may event tayo bukas sa Honda sa Tagaytay and I'm very excited. So samahan niyo ako. So ready na tayo namin guys and waiting na kami kay Papa na parking kasi iwan na namin yung park sa airport overnight and then after check in na. Okay, so checked in na kami guys ang ticket. Yeah. Hindi siya maiiwan sa airport guys. First time niyang lumipad. Okay, so checked in na kami guys and matagal-tagal pa kami maghihintay dito sa airport kasi yung flight namin is 11:30 a.m. pa and I think 9 a.m. pa lang rin. So mag-wait lang muna tayo. Kumain muna kami saglit sa airport kasi waiting pa kami sa flight namin and yan, nag-noodles lang kami and coffee. Boarding na kami niyan guys and papasok na kami sa airplane and very excited na kami dyan ni Charles and ni Papa. Ayan, nasa plane na kami. Ang haba ng pila as usual. So ayan, nakaupo na kami. We're in our seats and waiting na lang kami na lumipad. So, ayan, magte-take off na kami guys and see you in a bit, Manila. So, ayan, nasa Manila na kami and bababa na kami dyan sa plane. So guys, nandun na kami sa Manila. Antayin namin yung check-in baggage namin. Maglalabas kami. Susunduin kami ni Ma'am Carol from Honda Philippines. So, waiting kami dyan kay Ma'am Carol na magsusundo sa amin. So, ayan, sundo na kami ni Ma'am Carol. So, we're on our way to Tagaytay. How's Manila? How's Manila? Hi. Good. Sa KFC kami guys. Mag-lunch kami. So guys, nakadating na kami sa Tagaytay and now andito kami sa Forest Crest. And super ganda dito guys. Pati yung view and everything ganda dito. Ito yung room namin sa Forest Crest guys. Nagulat ako, sobrang laki and sobrang ganda. So, pinapasya lang namin yung Forest Crest, guys, kasi super ganda dito. And, you know, let's make the most of it while we're here. Yan. Nandun banda yung event ng Honda. Ano sila? Lolo daw ni So, ayun, pinuntahan namin guys yung sa event for tomorrow and pinapasya lang namin and nag-ready sila dyan. After na nag-dinner kami, thank you so much Ma'am Carol and Honda Philippines. Good morning guys, it's the day of the event And ito, nag-ready na ako ngayon. Kasi lalabas na ako and early morning pa. So, mamayang 10 or 9 a.m. mag-ride na kami. So, I'll try to get a few clips sa ride. So, yan yung mga riders dun sa event, guys. Nakalinya na sila. And sobrang dami nila. 2,000 plus. So, ayan, mag-bis na ako kasi mag-ride na kami nila Miss Aray and Coach Jovi Solog. So guys, naka-gear up na ako and ready na kami pumunta doon sa track and ayan, mag-trail na tayo guys. So, andyan na kami sa parang track nila guys. So, nag-ready na lang si Miss Aray and mag-ride na kami. Warm up muna. And ayan, nag-helmet na kami kasi we're ready to ride. But, ayun guys, wala akong clips sa, sa ride namin kasi nasa loob ng forest and walang makakapag-video doon. But, we had fun, guys. So, andito na kami sa event, guys, and sobrang daming tao. 2,000 or 3,000 plus. Grabe, sobrang dami. And super exciting yung event na to. And ayan, tinry ko yung mga games nila doon. Pero hindi ako marunong. So, a quick photo shoot dyan guys sa Pro Honda. And ito yung new launch ng Honda guys, yung EM1. Super ganda guys.
They also known as Baby 920, 18 years old. I have joined motocross when I was just 8 years old. And over my 10 years in joining motocross, I have joined several motocross competitions. like 2018 Comforter Couple Cebu Leg overall champion for the ladies class, 2019 NAMSA SM Bikutan Leg overall champion for the BMX 14 under, and 2022 Ibis National International Motocross. I also won overall champion for the ladies class. And over my 10 years in joining motocross competitions, I have joined several motocross competitions all over Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Charlotte Villarde, also known as Baby 920, a lady rider representing Negros Occidental Visayas. I just wanted to say my huge thanks to Honda for the incredible support. Honda support means so much to me, and I'm truly grateful for everything. I would like to thank especially Honda President, Ma'am Sayaka Aray, Vice President Sir Drumel Hereso, Sir Henrik Villa, and Sir Takamoto Ijima, and also Coach Jovi Saolog for the support. And I honestly can't thank you enough for believing in me. And again, thank you and Honda #1.
Thank you very much once again. Ms. Charlotte, kindly stay on stage for a photo op together with our executives from Honda. We have Department Manager of Motorcycle Sales.
And again, thank you so much Honda Philippines for giving me this opportunity. I will never forget this moment talaga, guys. Hindi namin napatapos yung event, guys, kasi naghahabol pa kami ng flight, pero dumaan muna kami dito sa parang castle and super ganda. So, ayan, after sa mahabang traffic, nasa airport na kami. Okay, so nasa airport na kami, guys. Pinupusok. And, pagod na kami. We had a long day. Uwi na kami. At 8 p.m. pa lang naman. Ang flight namin is 9:05. So, ayun, kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner, guys. Tagal ng burrito ko. So guys, nasa airplane na kami at magti-take off na. And ayun, very nakakapagod. So ayun, malapit na kami. Uwi na kami. Another window seat for me. So, landed na kami, guys. So, ayan guys, nakauwi na kami ng Negros and biyahe lang kayo pa uwi sa amin sa Sagay. So, ayan, let's go. So guys, I'm home. I'm with my teddy na. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And again, thank you so much Honda Philippines for this opportunity. One passion, one ride, one Honda. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Ingat kayo palagi!